Lydia picked up my rod.
They got one too. Look at that.
Ooh.
Got a cuda.
Yep. This one right there.
Just get him up as, oh, you know.
Come on.
Man, beat the shark and the cuda. Keep coming.
You want me to have this or hold yours?
No, you can leave it right there. You're fine.
Okay, well, I got nice big one.
Yeah, readjust that Bonita though so it don't come off.
Readjust.
Slide off. The way it don't slide off.
He's coming.
Gaff?
What's dropping that? He's here.
What you got, man? All I need to see is the weight. Carolina?
Yep.
He's right here. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Color. Something's after. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Woo! Dang, is it?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God! You got it! Dude, it's let's go! Oh my God!
Oh, where the hell is mine?
Where's the measure?
Oh, you don't need no measuring tape. You have no idea how long we've been after him, though.
Hell yeah, dude! He's a monster. Yes.
Oh, buddy.
Your turn, Drew. Your turn, buddy. It just keeps getting bigger.
Hey, we ain't leaving until I get
2 o'clock.
I don't care how big it is. That's what'll get a keeper.
Dude, that thing's huge.
You want to claim your prize?
Oh yeah, hold on, prize. I want to see.
Here, let me throw it.
Bonita. Yep. God, 33.
33. Here, put him on the scale.
What's he weigh? 16?
Holy crap.
22.
22 pounds.
22?
Yeah.
22.
They like that Bonita. Gee.
Everything I've caught out here has been on Bonita.
Takes your time. Come grab it.
Every time I come out here, I pull a plug, either green or black and silver, and catch Bonita on the way out. 1-inch strips.
What's that over there?
All right, let's get you in the sun too.
What now?
Something servicing huge right there.
Probably a shark.
That's that sea turtle.
Or a sea turtle, yeah. Yeah, it's a turtle.
Turtle.
Yep.
Woo.
There you go, man.
You want to
Look at that. Look at that.
Thank you.
Yep.
Okay.
Come on, man. Oh, yes.
Bonita?
Nope, bait. Don't mess with his face.
Don't mess with his face.
I'll back you up.
How far does this spike go down? They don't have spikes on top. They don't have that.
I need a stinger, Nico.
Need a stinger?
Yeah.
Throw them in the cooler? Go put them down here, go.
You can leave him out.
He's got some pretty things.
You can leave him out. Yeah, buddy.
Why don't you help me?
It's called a doctor fish. Don't grab him on his tail. See those white spikes right there?
Yep, I see them.
They will stab you.
I see them.
We caught one of those when we were in the Keys.
Not bad.
Pretty cool.
That's a pretty fish.
Yeah, that's an expensive fish if you put it in a fish tank.
Not bad. Drew's on.
you got? See color.
I'm cooking.
Get it, Drew.
Drew's on.
Break me off. Probably should.
Mike, come grab this.
Grab what?
This rod out from under him for me. Grab this.
Got the net for you?
I don't really have head space.
Probably shark.
Mike. You got a better angle right there.
Come on, boss man.
I don't know what it is. It's probably a shark.
If it's
It
a
ain't
shark,
really head
that's
shaking like a shark does.
if it's a shark, that's number 2 then.
Yeah. That's
If-
some weird.
If we ain't catching, we ain't doing it right.
That's weird. I don't want to tighten my drag. Lose him, whatever it is. But I think if it was a shark, he might would have busted me off by now.
Right, right.
I only got 100 pounds. Oh, no, yeah. I don't know. Oh,
Come on.
oh. Come on.
Got some fingers. Come on.
Come on, baby.
Be a, oh.
That was fun while it lasted.
Nice try. Nice try.
They're right there. You got it.
Oh, oh! I got this, I got this. I got this. You still on?
What you wanted me to do, Drew? Then what they should come flying.
Stalemate, whatever it is.
Couldn't quite get to it quick enough.
Probably could have pulled him away in time, but
Oh, Drew, you're on over here. Yeah, you. Let him take it. Let him take it a little bit. There you go.
he still got it.
Probably. He started swimming back this way. Tighten up your drag. Tighten up your drag.
Got him?
There we go.
I get the net out.
Woo! So you get airborne again.
Where do you want me to be, buddy? Where do you want to be at?
Gaff.
Gap?
You don't want to.
I know.
Put.
All right. You want to try to gaff him?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yep. Towards the head. Aim near his head. All right. We caught a gnarly barracuda.
Dude, that thing.
Get some good footage now.
Watch your toes.
not. Look at the head on it.
I know. That head is gnarly. I'm not even videoing it.
It's like 4 foot.
So, this is what's been stealing our bait. We finally messed up and grabbed the wrong hook. But look at the teeth, man. Freaking gnarly. Go ahead, stick your hand in there.
Alright, I got you.
No. For real? Alright. We're gonna handle this.
Hit him up.
Need to keep her something. No. Man, this dude's in my pelvic bone. He's not really shaking like a jack.
Get a good angle.
Looks like he hit a little bit. Her stomach's just complete.
Let that thing sing.
I mean, I don't know, that grouper was diving hard. I thought it was pretty good. Keep him out of that structure.
He is ripping.
Hit him up.
Come on.
All you.
If this is a shark, you gotta keep it.
That's not a shark. You didn't do that much. This is a keeper fish for Drew.
Dang!
If it was something good, it just got sharked. I don't know.
Hit him up. He's still coming.
I don't want to really put
Let the
that
thing
pressure on
sing like bells and whistles.
I believe in you. Come on. Hit him up. Good fish. I see coming. Yep.
At least let me see what it is.
Come on, Papa, let's go. Get you that grouper that you want, something.
I hope it ain't a shark. Yeah, it would be kind of cool though if it was a little dip.
Yep.
I have a lengthy leader on.
I see. And
Whoa.
So I said, it felt like it just got short.
yeah.
It's been a long day and we've had some really good fun, good time. Caught a lot of stuff, got some keepers, and we're gonna make a few last casts and we're gonna wrap it up for the day. And that's that. I'm gonna go home and edit some videos for you guys. What do y'all got to say for the day?
It's a good day.
Successful.
First grouper? His first grouper?
So is your first grouper?
It is.
My first, your first grouper?
My first grouper.
Your first grouper.
Well, if it was.
I've yet to get one today, but I did catch a shark and a barracuda, and I got the ones back that took my AJs.
You
But
got the biggest AJ too.
I did get the biggest AJ, but it ain't about who got the biggest one and who caught what. The biggest thing for us is we were able to make the trip. We got out here safely. We're going back safely. And we had a good time. And for us, that's all that counts, and catching fish is a bonus. But like I said, we're gonna make a few last casts to see what else we can get. We got a couple guys coming up wanting to spear dive or spearfish and dive this other site. So if we get anything else, you'll be first to see. So yesterday after going out, we kept a couple of the groupers, and lucky for me, Mike didn't want his whenever he caught his. So I brought it home because I'm not going to miss out on it. But for here in Florida, the size limit for these gag groupers are 24 inches total length, and it's open from June 1st to December 31st. So totally good to go, legal, And
Is that all areas of Florida, or is that just the Panhandle?
no, this is just our area. There's different regions and stuff that.
So just in like the Gulf Coast.
No, just in the Panhandle, the northern region. They can vary. The seasons can vary throughout the different areas of Florida. But late last night I got in way late last night, so I put it in a salt brine and let him stay cold overnight, so it'd be easier to fillet still. And after this, we're gonna put him on the grill, put the rest in vacuum seal bags, and we can go for there. But the biggest thing for these, I don't usually keep the collars on these, but you don't want to miss the meat in the head. And if they were bigger, which we probably still could, you can pull the cheek muscles out. But like I said, this is Gag Grouper. These guys got some gnarly teeth.
Bait's still in his mouth.
Yeah, he still got bait in his mouth. But we're gonna go ahead and start filleting.
How big was this grouper?
This one? I forget. He is 26 totally, 26 and a quarter.
And they have to be, what, 24?
Yep.
It's the first grouper that we've brought home this season.
Yeah. He's still got a lot of air in it. Whenever you're pulling them from the bottom, bringing them up real quick, you get a lot of nitrogen gases in their stomach. That's what causes their stomachs to come out of their mouths whenever you're watching on other videos, or if you caught them yourself and you don't know what it is. And it's totally normal, but if you were to release them, you want to make sure you vent them. There's a pocket back here in their stomachs you can pop, and sometimes even push their stomachs back in through their mouth. But some of these you don't want to do that to, especially with this guy. He's got some gnarly teeth on him, and if they're lively, you don't want to. But
It's first time using your new cutting table too.
Yeah, I know. Miss Natalie got me a new table on my birthday a few weeks back, and we've been so busy I hadn't been able to use it.
Yeah, and there's been a lot of storms and stuff coming through.
A lot of storms, a lot of wind.
A lot of hurricanes.
And it's been rough going out. It's either super windy or tides and currents bad.
Currents ripping.
Yep. I'm gonna go and follow this backbone down here and get to the spine. Just roll right over it. Missed a little bit right here. It's alright. Cut it out. If you have a knife that can do it, you can cut through that rib cage, but I'm probably just gonna fillet around it, because it's just my preferred method. We had been trying to catch these guys
All summer.
Yeah, all summer, and then
And just so you guys know, we don't actually eat fish when we go out to eat. We only eat the fish that we catch.
yeah, everything that I myself, I don't personally like going to restaurants or trusting what everybody else has done, because I don't know how long the fish has been out, how it was prepared, who filleted it, and how long it's set up, all that good stuff, where it came from. And I'm just super picky about fish, so my opportunity to go fish benefits my skepticism about what exactly happened behind closed doors.
Or the cruelty behind it.
Yeah, that too, but I like to know where it came from, how it was prepped, and how long it was left out, because it's just my personal preference. But everything that we catch and take home, we don't let it go to waste. We use every bit of it. Alright, so like I was stating earlier, I like when we go out and we catch fish and bring home dinner. I love fish, but for myself, I'm weary about buying fish from a restaurant or from a store because you don't know how long it sat up, how fresh it was, how long it's been frozen, and I don't know, it just makes me kind of uncomfortable. And I know that when I catch it, I'm not going to waste it. We pull everything that we can off of it. And anyway, we are going to cut these guys up into some fillets that we're going to throw on the grill tonight. So we trimmed up the best we could earlier. He was a little slimy and sliding all over the place, but the rest of it we cleaned up and gave to the cats. We ended up coming home one day and literally jumped out of the boat, jumped in the boat, jumped back out of the boat with Bonita. I was going to put it in the freezer, and then this guy, Kai, just come up and sat right on the ground, acting like he owned the place, like he's been here forever, acting like he's owned the place and was here forever. And then the next night, after we took Kai in, we got Mingo. I don't know if she was with him or not, but now we've got 2 cats. And then a few days later, I was at a job site and he ran up on me. He was a little skinny and now he's all fat and chunky after a few weeks, but he was a good puppy. He's a good boy. Yeah. This is Goliath. Sweet dog. And all 3 of them like fish and steak and whatever else we've been cooking. They get the leftovers. So I got this cut up. Got it cut out the way I want it. Patted it down. Got it all dried out. And it's important to pay attention to what you want to do with the fish and how you want to cook it. You want to try to get everything the same length or same thickness really, and roughly the same size. That way when you're cooking it, you don't have one overcooked or one undercooked depending on what you're doing with it. But we're gonna have these out tonight. These are going on the grill. This is all gonna get vacuum sealed. I'm gonna cook these too. I'm curious to see what they taste like. Anything that we don't eat right at that moment, we vacuum seal. There ain't nothing worse than going out, spending forever trying to catch something, and then you end up wasting it because of freezer burn. Now that these are done, I'm gonna get the other set done, and this right here is gonna get prepped to go on the grill. So stick with us. Got everything prepped up. Here's a little sneak peek. I'm about to put it on the grill. We got a lot of butter, lemon, pepper, salt, some herbs, cilantro, garlic, and a few other seasonings, but well, a few other herbs anyway. But we're gonna see what it tastes like, and my guess is it's gonna be banging. All right, grouper's off the grill. Plate's ready to eat. Not the plate, but the food on it. But thank y'all for staying to the end of this video. What do you got to say about it?
It's good. It's definitely a little different than what I'm used to, just because I am a huge snapper fan. It is a little bit more tough than I'm used to as far as when it comes to snapper, but it's got a good flavor and everything, so it's good.
Well, for me, I don't eat grouper all the time because usually when we go out, we're targeting something different. But thank y'all for watching Habitual Angler. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see y'all on the next video.